FICEP S3 belongs to FICEP Group, which is a multinational company that constructs machinery for structural steel. So when you see a building or a bridge, all the metal structure was probably made with one of our machines in over 30 countries all over the world. We never considered using 3D printing for production until we saw HP's multi-jet fusion in action. Now we're doing parts which we weren't able to make before. Now we do them in-house and we have them the next day. The machine that we're building is a paint machine for industrial steel. Once we saw how the parts come out, we noticed how strong and light they were, then we just redesigned the entire machine based on this technology. 40% of the machine is done in 3D now. The robotic arm which holds the paint nozzles. In a traditional machine, this arm is about 1.5 meters high. We were able to reduce it in 3D to 300 millimeters. You can't design it any better than what it is now. In making the part so small, we were able to save a lot of space, where we were able to add other systems without increasing the floor space that the machine takes up. Just making one part in 3D can help you rethink the entire machine. What HP has done is made us a machine that can not only do the prototypes for us, but also do the final production. This is where it excels, because now we don't have to wait 12 hours to make one part. In 12 hours, we can make 100 parts.